Hi, my name is David Trupp, and here we're going to talk about supply chain management. What is supply chain management? Well, supply chain managers is someone who manages the flow of raw materials to build a product. Also, there's a small video below that best explains what supply chain management. Why supply chain management? Well, it helps boost customer service to make sure the product is being shipped fast. It creates a cheaper cost for customers to get their product shipped, and it improves a low cost for holding products in storage. The pros is someone who likes to carry out projects, makes decisions, works indoors, and it pays very well. The cons, it takes a considerable amount of work experience and education, and the work hours are more than 40 hours per week. As you can see here, basic education to get into the supply chain management career field. Also, for that field, it does takes 4 years to finish. Also, here are some job titles that you can get with your supply chain management major. Supply chain manager salaries can range from 46,000 to 150,000, depending on the job experience and, of course, the amount of education that you need. Here in Minnesota, the average salary is 115,000. Taking the time to look at this.